Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cat repellents that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the PetSafe SSSCAT Motion-Activated Cat Spray. Our top choice overall of a cat repellent is the PetSafe SSSCAT Motion-Activated Cat Spray due to its effectiveness and potential for use in various situations. The spray housing is motion-activated and will detect when your cat comes within 3 feet of the device. It delivers an odorless, harmless, and stainless spray to keep your cat away. Each refillable bottle can deliver 80 to 100 sprays and is ideal for keeping your cat away from counters or furniture indoors and as trash cans or sensitive areas outdoors, as it is completely wireless, powered by 4 AAA batteries. The only issue we found with this deterrent is that many customers report the sensor only working sporadically, even with new batteries installed. Moving on at number 4, we have the Sentry Stop That Noise and Pheromone Cat Spray. Training a cat can be challenging at the best of times, and a tool such as the Stop That Noise and Pheromone Cat Spray from Sentry can make the process easier. The spray mimics a natural pheromone that immediately calms and refocuses your cat by reducing their excitability. The spray also makes a loud noise that further distracts and deters your feline without causing harm and is excellent in training when used directly after the unwanted behavior. The lavender and chamomile fragrance is great for feline parents too. This spray is comparatively expensive though, and many customers reported that the loud noise scared their cats for some time afterward. Also, the small bottle is only enough for roughly 20 sprays. At number 3, we have the Clawguard Furniture Cat Scratch Shields. If you have a problem with your cat using your furniture as their scratching post, these scratch shields from Clawguard may help stop the behavior and protect your furniture in the process. Made with tough marine-grade vinyl, the shields are flexible to protect corners and are a breeze to install with the included upholstery twist pins. They are also removable and easy to clean with a damp cloth, are tough enough to withstand scratching claws, and can be used on almost any soft furniture item. The shields come in packs of 2 and are made in the USA. These shields will not work on leather sofas or wooden furniture because they need to be fixed in with pins, and while most cats will be deterred, some may view the mats as their new scratching posts. At number 2, we have the MasterMind Scratch Deterrent Cat Spray. The Claw Withdraw Scratch Deterrent Spray from MasterMind is made with a herbal blend of rosemary and astragalus mixed with pure, deionized water and no harsh chemicals or parabens. The spray is easy to use by simply spraying the areas that you want to stop your cat from scratching, and the strong odor will keep them from coming back. While your cat will not enjoy the pungent smell, it's pleasant for owners and won't stain, so it is safe to use on any fabric or carpet. With cats being cats, many customers report that this spray didn't work to deter their cats. Also, the smell doesn't stay for long, so you'll need to respray every day, which can get expensive with a 4-ounce bottle. And finally at number 1, we have the 3-in-1 Cat and Kitten Training Aid Cat Repellent Spray. The 3-in-1 Cat and Kitten Training Aid has a repellent scent, loud noise, and added bitters to safely yet effectively keep your cat from scratching where you don't want them to. The spray can be used safely on wood, fabric, plants, and drapes, and the formula won't stain or mark. The spray is long-lasting and can be used indoors or outdoors and is an ideal training tool for kittens and adults alike. The spray is made in the USA from locally sourced and sustainable ingredients with eco-friendly recyclable packaging. Several customers reported that this spray did not deter their cats in the least, though, and some cats even enjoyed the taste. The sprayer is also of poor quality and breaks easily, sometimes after only a few uses, and it is comparatively expensive. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.